Hey, wonderful humans, Ms. Palmer here, and I am going to be going over question number 2 that you guys took on the Unit 2 test. So a few things about my screen. The left side, you'll see the test. It may look a little different than how you guys saw it on Aware, but the question is the same. On the right side, you'll see my paper where I have already solved question number 1, and I'm about to solve question number 2. So let's read it together. Craig likes to collect records. Last year, he had 12 records in his collection. Now he has 15 records. What is the percent increase of records in his collection? So on my paper, I have already written out my UPS check. So my understanding of this problem is that I am looking for the percent increase. I use the percent symbol instead of writing out the word percent, but it's the same. My plan, this is where I'm going to pull out all of that information. I know last year he had 12. Now he has 15. And to solve this, I am going to create a 1 box. So I am going to do a percent change 1 box. Okay, to solve, I'm going to set up my 1 box. W-O-N. I'm going to have to rewrite that word check. See, this is why we don't write things out to begin with, because you might just have to erase it and move it later. So my words are difference over original. I'm going to abbreviate difference to DIFF, and I am going to write out the word original. I know that I'm looking for the percent, which is X over 100. Now the difference is going to be the difference between 15 and 12. Now, that's mental math. 15 minus 12 is 3. So I know my difference is 3. My original is whatever happened first. Not necessarily what happens first in the problem, like what number comes first when you read it, but what happens first in the situation. So last year he had 12 records. This year he has 15. So considering last year comes first, that's his original, 12. Now, I can just cross multiply and divide here, but since 3/12 is something that I can reduce, I'm going to do that. So I will reduce both of these by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So now, when I cross multiply and divide, it's a bit easier to do it because they're smaller numbers. So I know 1 times 100 is 100, and I am dividing by 4. So 4 can go into 1 0 times, but 4 goes into 10 twice. Pulling down that 0. 4 can go into 25 times. 4 times 5 is 20, 0, and that's it, 25. Therefore, he should have a 25% increase.